Yo, hello, Chef in the house. Comiendo pila in the house. Shout out para Lapi, the best rapper in the Dominican Republic. Shout out para Doctor Natra. Shout out para Los Foque. Shout out for everybody. You inspire me to be who I am, making content. And today we have a really special video. Well, Alfredo sauce is typical made by butter, heavy cream, Parmesan cheese. I love to do things in my way. I put some garlic on it. I put some bacon on it. I put my, parsley also. Every dish I make, I always realize that, I do it my own way. Even though I never studied about, cuisine or, to be a chef. But, I'm be chef. You know what I'm talking about. The investigation that I made exactly, to be honest, no. But Alfredo sauce was invented in Rome, like a go-go, like back in the days, by somebody called like Alfredo the Lady. I don't know. If I pronounce the last name or whatever wrong, I'm sorry, but it was like back in the 1914. It was so simple. Actually, what's funny about this dish is that it was made because he actually started doing this for his wife during the after pregnancy process. I don't know why, but he said that he actually helped the pregnancy and the way that she bred her kid. I don't know. Well, actually added the bacon and chicken and enhance the flavors. I mean, when you mix those flavors, bro, the crispy of the bacon, the smoky taste, the chicken, the protein for that's so satisfying. And trust me, guys, one thing that you have to understand is so delicious. Even though you can't feel it, trust me. If you don't smell this, you have to come to my future restaurant. Yeah, I'm gonna have a restaurant that I'm gonna talk to you about that. Honest, I really love mushrooms. The creamy flavor, tasty of the mushrooms. It produces a balance on the dish that is so different. I mean, so many people doesn't like mushrooms. Actually, our culture here in the Dominican Republic, we don't really use mushrooms so much. But as me being born to, I have so many friends in Europe, like Romania, Russian, I have people, and I don't know the name, but there's so many presents that I know some people. Shout out to them. They know me. Pepe in the house, and I really love that. I really love that. The flour help, to get the thickness on the Alfredo sauce. Is even though it's a regular spaghetti, so pasta, whatever the way you want to call it, it's like the bechamel, but it make the pasta even more creamy. And when you mix the flour plus the heavy cream, oh my God. And you put some salt on it, some Dominicans and salt. Oh my God, I want to finish the video because I want to taste my plate. I'm waiting for it. The freshly grated Parmesan cheese is the best option. Smell better, provide riches and authentic taste. But if you can afford to get, freshly Parmesan cheese, you just get a regular one that you can get at the supermarket. It's up to you. It's up to your pocket. You feel me? Yes. While spaghetti works perfectly, fettuccine is the traditional choice for the Alfredo. You can use penne, linguine, any pasta you prefer. It's up to you. Like I tell you always, it's up to your pocket. It's how much money you have in your pocket. You can go to the supermarket and get it. It's up to you. You're free to do whatever you want. At the end of the day, you're the one that you're gonna taste that. If you have a restaurant and somebody actually requests, linguine or whatever, you just have to put work on it. But it's up to you at the end of the day. My version, like I always tell you, I include the ingredients like bacon, chicken, mushroom, garlic, and parsley. Because as I mentioned since the beginning, since I started doing YouTube and creating content, I do my own things. I don't follow rules. Well, actually, parsley is add as a garnish to give pop of colors. Like first smell really good. First, second, the color that provides to the plate, the balance and the richness of the sauce is different. I mean, like I really love as a Latino first. Latinos really like to put color on it. Anything you can eat in the Latino area in the Caribbean, bro, it's not gonna be a really straight dish. It's gonna be some color that you're gonna put on it. Mango, you're gonna put some salami. You see the colors are different. I just want to say thank you for all the support. Thank you for being part of the community. Comiendo Pina in the house, in the building, Pizza in La Casa, always representing. Thank you so much. And also to my team, 825 Productions, 85 Producciones. That's my people. That's the company that actually make all this happen. If you need a company like this, people, man, just go to their website on Instagram, 85, the same way. And thank you. Comiendo Pila in the house. Bye-bye.